Hello everyone, this is Melanie of Style of Living TV, and this afternoon I would like to welcome you to San Vicente Dragon Fruit Farm, owned by Mr. Loreto Jagunap Jr. and Mr. Michael Melvin Jagunap of Leganes, Iloilo. When Sir Michael started this farm, he only had 138 poles. 2 years later, this amazing farm now has more than 2,000 poles. So let me tell you some things about dragon fruits. Dragon fruits belong to cactus family. The cactus originally grew in southern Mexico and South and Central America. The French brought it to Southeast Asia in the early 19th century. Personally, I was only introduced to this special fruit some 10 years ago. I know that dragon fruits are rich in antioxidants. They are naturally fat-free and high in fiber, and it also helps lower blood sugar. It also boosts iron levels, and all of these are very beneficial to our health. And this afternoon, Sir Michael is very kind enough to tell me some things about dragon fruits. So 6 to 8 months after planting the dragon fruit, it now has this kind like bulb. And then it turns into flower. And you have to wait another 30 days for it to develop into a fruit. And these are some of their varieties, since they have 38 varieties. And then after 30 days, by giving them tender loving care, two times a week of watering and giving some special fertilizers, the dragon fruit will now turn into this, and you have to wait for another 30 days for harvest. And what did I do this afternoon? You got it right. I looked for some ripe dragon fruits ready to be picked. And this is it. This is the one. I have finally found the right fruit to be picked. And harvesting dragon fruit is not as easy as you can see. It takes a lot of careful techniques and ways, and Sir Michael Jagunap is very kind enough to tell me what to do. And wait for it! Now I got it. Thank you so much for this very wonderful experience. Love and gratitude to Mr. Michael Melvin Jagunap for allowing me and my friend Ayo Cordova, who is also behind the camera, to tour his dragon fruit farm. So please, if you have any questions regarding dragon fruits and if you want to taste this very delicious fruit, come and check out their Facebook page, San Vicente Dragon Fruit Farm. And this has been Melanie. Thank you, and please subscribe.